Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove or sign out Apple ID from your iPhone device without any data losing and without any phone number, email or without any computer. So how we can remove or sign out Apple ID from Apple device. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly open your settings. Now scroll down and tab on general. So firstly check your software update. So you can see here iOS 18.0.1 beta is up to date. So firstly make sure your iOS is updated. Then go back, scroll down and tab on Apple ID. So you can see here sign out option. So tab on sign out. So tab on sign out. Are you sure? It may take a minute to remove your iCloud data from this iPhone. Tab on sign out. Removing iCloud data. So you can see here Apple ID is removed and sign out. So now sign in manually again. So add your Apple ID and password to sign in again. Tap on continue. Now enter password. So when you tap your password, so tap on done and wait few seconds. Now two-factor authentication. A message with verification code has been sent to -- contact number. Please enter the code to continue. So friends, you have received a OTP two-factor authentication code. So read and enter the code. So wait few seconds. Signing in your Apple ID, wait few seconds. So enter your passcode. Tab on don't merge. So you can see here our Apple ID is signed in. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to sign out or remove Apple ID from any iPhone without computer, without password and without any email details. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.